What is going on everyone? So I'm doing today's crypto markets update. Now we've seen some major pullbacks recently, just overnight. As you can see here, we're just looking at the market caps. Had some big moves on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and Ripple. So I'm just going to go into the charts and show you what they're looking like, show you the investments I'm doing and how you can actually get into them and make your money work for you. Doing these investments because they are great, and we're building the teams up slowly now, but let's get into it. So at Bitcoin at the minute, we did see it push back up to its all-time high of 5,800s, and we actually broke to the downside again. So at the minute we're sitting at 5,324. Now this level is holding at the minute, but if we do see a break of this, I'm expecting for the market to come back down to the 5,000 mark, or just below 5,000 where we actually broke through. This area has got to be retested before we can actually go higher. So just keep an eye out on the Bitcoin charts to make sure this actually holds before you do anything. But again, Ethereum, we've had a huge drop off Ethereum. We had the breakthrough level at 320. People did use that as a buying level previously, as you can see here, but that has broken. And now our next level of support, where the market is just holding at now, is 298. So just below 300 at the minute. Again, we're going to have to see if this level holds. We are at a bit of a level here, as you can see, so we need to just make sure that holds, get a bit of a bounce off that, and then we'll see the market progress higher, hopefully. Ripple, as you guys know, there was a bit of news out the other day with Ripple. Still a good price to get in, I think. This is going to essentially be a long-term hold we're looking at on Ripple. But we got up to 29, almost 30 yesterday, and it has sold off quite a bit through people taking profit. But again, I'd wait for a hold of this. I'd like to see a push above just this zone here, 2262, before I'd get in, just to confirm that we're at a buy zone. Looking at Litecoin as well, had a breakout to the downside. We couldn't breach $65, so we actually saw again a break to the downside, with support now acting at $55. So again, can see a bit of a push, and we really need to take out 65 before we go any higher on this and take out these all-time highs, or not all-time highs, previous highs, so to speak. Right, now we've covered that, guys. Let me just get into the programs I'm actually running now. One of the first ones I'm running is this site called Bitpetite. It's a cryptocurrency tumbling website. Now you can do your own research into this website. I've done my own. It's all on the site. All gets explained on the website, and what they do, how they make their money, and how you get paid your interest. Now, this website, they've got two programs, okay? They've got a 6-week program and a 9-week program. I've been doing the 6-week one because it's shorter term, so I get my money back quicker. But they pay you 4.5% daily and 1% on the weekends for 6 weeks. So say, for example, you were to put in one whole Bitcoin, okay, for a 6-week program, shows you your monthly net income, your total return, okay, what you'd earn per week, and how much you'd get daily with the interest you're getting. And again, it shows your break-even point from today. So it's just under 1 month, okay, that you'd break even. And then after that, the next 2 weeks essentially of that contract is pure profit. So you're getting 140%, 147%, on your initial investment. So for example, Bitcoin 6,000, you're going to get 47% on top of that 6,000 that you make off your initial investment. You can do this in Bitcoin to Bitcoin or Bitcoin to US dollars. I'm just going to show you my account now. So I've got 616 invested into this at the minute. So you can do Bitcoin to USD. That'll actually pay the dividend out in US dollars, okay? Or you can do Bitcoin to Bitcoin, so you can withdraw the Bitcoin value as it is. So essentially, as the price of Bitcoin goes up, you make more money because the value of the coin's gone up, and you've got your 4.5% as well. Again, you can do this with Ethereum and do it with the coin, or you can do it with Litecoin. I've got, I think I've got about 2.7, I put 2.7 Litecoin in this morning. Where is it? Yeah, I deposited 2.6, almost 2.7 Litecoin this morning into BitPetite. So I'm building the investments up slowly into this. Started off with, about 300 up to 600 now. So I'm just going to keep the ball rolling, keep investing into this. And it's a really nice program. If you guys want to get involved with this program, you can use the link, it's in the description if you want to sign up and be part of the team that I'm actually building up on this. And I'll invite you to our crypto chat that we've got on Telegram, where we discuss all the latest ICOs, the currency market in general, any new currencies to get into on the crypto market, and just general discussions. So the link for that one is in the description if you guys want to get into it. But again, you can see here my investments and what I'm going to return on them. So look, I'm putting in 2.7 Litecoin, and I'm actually going to get 3.9 Litecoins back at the end of that 6-week period. So that's a pretty good gain. Again, you can see my withdrawals that I've been doing, my deposits, and let's just go over. So again, one other thing, you can withdraw hourly on this platform as well, as long as the balance is above $10. Okay, so you can see here, if I hit withdraw, I can withdraw this Bitcoin amount and this Litecoin amount as well. I'm not going to yet because I'm just waiting for the balance to build up a bit more, then I'll reinvest it again into the balance. But as long as it's above $10, you can withdraw. So you can do, well, if you put a big enough amount in, you could probably withdraw hourly if you wanted to, but you can see the dividends like every half an hour or so. So I really like BitPetite, and if you guys want to get into it, again, links in the description. Second site, Electroneum, is an initial coin offering that they're doing on the 1st of November. If you guys want to look at it, I'm actually holding 125,000 coins on this one. They've got good momentum going into this. Got, where is it? Almost 250,000 users. So we've seen a really big build up on this. Now, again, you can do your own research into this website and what the company's about, and it's up to you to invest. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, but I think there's good upside to this for the initial risk. That's why I've got a decent amount of coins, but I think, yeah, it is correct. Yeah, so their 10% bonus runs out today. After that, you can only get I think, yeah, it's $1 for 100 coins. Yeah, but you actually get 110 coins with this extra bonus, which ends in 11 hours or so. But that's Electroneum. Again, if you guys want to get into Electroneum, I've got the link in the description for that. If you guys want to get some coins for the ICO, you again do your own research into it, but it's going to float in November the 1st. They got their app coming out November the 2nd. So really interested to see where Electroneum goes. I think it's going to be good as well. And lastly, last site at the minute, Regalcoin. So I've actually got 11.5 coins at the minute. They've got their lending program, which I've lent the coins out, and I am getting my return on, which they're paying, which is great. I've made probably about 300% return on my initial investment on Regalcoin. I got in just after the ICO started to dump off, got up to about $20ish, and I got in around $13, $14, managed to get 11ish coins at that point. But this site is a nice one as well with the lending platform, and the price of Regalcoin started to stabilize now. Let's take a look. Okay, so started to stabilize. We did drop below $30 at one point, come all the way back down to 24. And then I think people, you know, they think that's a good price to get into, and we've got a level of support here, and we've pushed back up to $32. We're slightly down for the day today, but you know, that's no issue. I think we will see $50, you know, by Christmas time, or you know, the start of next year. But I think they've got good stuff coming with the debit cards, getting the exchange on here as well. Again, you can see the Visa card there. Oh, it's logged me out. All right, bollocks. Right, so I've logged back in now. Anyway, yeah, their Visa card again on the site. They're doing that. I think their exchange is actually going live soon. I think next week actually it might be going live. So again, I think that will push the price of Regal Coin up. But if you guys want to get into Regal Coin again, I'm actually building my team up again. Here we go. So I've actually got 2 referrals under me. Now I think I explained this in the last video regarding the sales on the left and the right hand side. But when you actually match this up to 100k each side, they actually pay you 5% weekly. So you'll actually earn, you know, crazy. You'll actually earn like $5,000 literally just off this. It's in their white paper, so you guys can actually check it out. But I'm building the team on this. If you guys want to get under me and build the team out with me, again, the link is in the description if you want to sign up. I think Regal Coin is gonna again push higher in the coming weeks. But if you've got any questions, or you're not sure on how to join up, or actually how to start investing into these programs, just leave a comment on the video. I can show you how to do it. I've actually posted some videos that do show you, you know, how to invest in these programs. But again, if you're still stuck and you want to join up with the team, let me know. All the links are in the description to sign up. And that's it for today. I'll see you